Well, here we are. I guess you call this part two or whatever of the potatoes. Okay, um, I've added some more cedar bark. Then I added some of my garden mix soil. And as you can see, I really got it up to the tops of these, barely poking out. And then I actually even built a little mound around the larger, taller plant. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pretty much literally cover everything except for maybe a leaf or two of the bigger one with the cedar. That gives it room to grow, to feed the nutrients to the stems and the roots, and have it propagate more potatoes. Because how potatoes work is it's a tuber, of course, and as it grows in the soil, when it's got the stalk gets taller, then it sends out little feelers, tubers, and grows more potatoes off of that stalk, as long as you keep burying it in a hill until the plant dies. So our goal is to get the hill as high as possible and get the largest possible yield out of such a small space. So we shall see how this works. So next I'm going to cover with the cedar chips, and next video you watch of the whole garden, you'll see everything. And we'll talk about harvesting green sprouts for salads and such, instead of just stemming them and tossing them away. There's lots of food here and we don't want to waste it. Everyone have a great first part of the spring 2021.